Are you wondering if you can actually cook a whole chicken in one of these toaster ovens air fryers? So I guess there's your answer. So I have been cooking this for a bit under like 2 hours. So maybe like 2 hours. So and basically the finish is absolutely perfect really. And the size of this oven is 22 liters essentially, so it's like a medium size, and you see you can stuff in like a very large bird here is inside, so the chicken is like 2 kilos. And again, also basically compared to, for example, to large oven, for example, if I cook a whole chicken like this basically in a normal oven, essentially it kind of dries out a bit. But since these smaller toaster ovens actually do not have as good ventilation, basically the bird actually stays more moist inside. So again, moisture gets locked inside essentially, and we can get better results. So yep, definitely if you are considering one of these and you need to cook like a whole chicken again without any work whatsoever, so I simply put inside, maybe put on some salt or whatever really, and basically leave it for some time and it's pretty much done. And yeah, again, the overall result I think is better than on the big oven from the small guy, because again it locks in better moisture. Anyway, good luck.